Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, I show you how to start an infinite loop on the Linux command line. At least it's as infinite as you allow it to run. So to start a loop that would run forever until you log off or the system crashes, you would use a command like this. While true, so it runs forever. I added the sleep command here to slow down the output so that we're not seeing this keep running message more than once a second. Now I'm going to go ahead and run it. And you can see keep running and wait 5 seconds. Keep running again. And if I want to stop this, to put it in the background, I could type Control Z and then BG to put it in the background, and it will keep running even though I still have control of my terminal. Well, that is your Linux tip for running a somewhat infinite loop. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.